Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best bowling shoes is probably one of the most important investments for any bowler, and today, we're diving deep into some top-tier options. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, having the right footwear can significantly impact your game. We'll explore what makes these shoes stand out, from their design and comfort to their performance on the lanes, so you can make an informed decision and elevate your bowling experience. Number 5. KR Strikeforce Flyer Mesh Bowling Shoes. These shoes are perfect for both right and left-handed bowlers. It's designed to enhance your game, no matter which hand you prefer to use. The shoes come equipped with slide pads on both shoes. This feature allows the user to have consistent slides, improving their performance. Whether you're playing casually or in a league, this is a great choice. It's designed to provide comfort and support for all types of bowlers. The shoes are available in both medium and wide widths. This ensures a comfortable fit for a variety of foot sizes. With its mesh design, it offers breathability and flexibility. This shoe is designed to keep you comfortable while you play. What we like. This shoe is designed for both right and left-handed bowlers, offering versatility. It features slide pads on both shoes, ensuring a smooth experience regardless of your dominant hand. If you're a bowler who switches hands or simply wants a shoe that caters to all, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Comfortable and look good. Recipient is happy with the wide fit. Comfortable bowling shoes, takes a couple of times to loosen up soles for the approach shot, great price worth the purchase. The shoes fit great. I have a size 15 and there's plenty of room for my big feet. Number 4. Kricely Men's Trail Running Shoes. These Kricely trail running shoes are designed for the adventurous. They are perfect for hiking, walking, and cross-training. The shoes combine fashion with functionality. They are not only stylish but also provide excellent support and comfort for your feet during workouts. These sneakers are made for the outdoors. They are durable and can withstand various terrains, making them ideal for any outdoor activity. Experience all-day comfort with these shoes. They are designed to keep your feet feeling great, whether you're on a trail or just running errands. Whether you're hitting the trails or the gym, these shoes are your perfect workout partner. They provide the support and style you need to perform at your best. What we like. This shoe prioritizes comfort with its sporty synthetic upper and foam padding. The lightweight outsole keeps you feeling agile on the lanes. If you're looking for a bowling shoe that combines comfort with style, this is a great option. What people say. The tread provides good grip on dirt and gravel paths. They're breathable and flexible, making them comfortable for longer wear. Fit well, feel great. Number 3. Brunswick Prism Men's Bowling Shoes. This shoe combines comfort with style. The sporty synthetic upper, along with the extra-light molded EVA outsole, provides amazing comfort and fit. This shoe features pure slide microfiber slide soles on both sides. This gives bowlers a reliable slide every time they step up to the lane. The lightweight rubber outsole and performance synthetic uppers help you feel light on your feet. You'll be able to move around the lanes with ease. These shoes come with a 1-year limited manufacturer's warranty. You can be sure that this product is made to last. The design of this shoe is very sporty. It is designed to look good and perform well. What we like. This shoe is all about comfort, with its sporty synthetic upper and foam padding. The pure slide microfiber slide soles on both sides provide a reliable slide. If you value comfort and a consistent slide, you should consider this one. What people say. Perfect fit, feel great, and look good. Nice, light bowling shoes. My son loves these shoes, they fit very well and to size. He has had any discomfort and loves the colors. The shoe is comfortable and slides good. I did put a little powder on the slide foot and it's been great since. Number 2. Brunswick Prism Men's Bowling Shoes. This shoe combines comfort with style. The sporty design, along with the padded collar and tongue, provide an amazing fit. You'll feel great wearing them. This shoe features microfiber slide soles on both sides. This gives bowlers a reliable slide every time they step up to the lane. You can trust it to perform. The lightweight design helps you stay light on your feet. The synthetic uppers and rubber outsole contribute to a feeling of agility. It won't weigh you down. This shoe comes with a 1-year limited manufacturer's warranty. You can be assured of its quality and durability. Purchase with peace of mind. Get ready to experience bowling like never before. This shoe is designed to enhance your game. Get yours today. What we like. This shoe is all about comfort, with its sporty synthetic upper and foam padding. The Pure Slide microfiber slide soles on both sides provide a reliable slide. If you value comfort and a consistent slide, you should consider this one. What people say. Perfect fit, feel great, and look good. Nice, light bowling shoes. My son loves these shoes, they fit very well and to size. He has had any discomfort and loves the colors. The shoe is comfortable and slides good. I did put a little powder on the slide foot and it's been great since. Number 1. Brunswick Avalanche Men's Bowling Shoes. This shoe is designed for ultimate comfort. It features athletic mesh uppers with a foam padded collar and tongue. You'll feel great wearing it. The shoe provides a consistent slide every time. It has Pure Slide microfiber slide soles on both shoes. This helps you maintain control. This bowling shoe is incredibly lightweight. It has an extra light molded EVA outsole. You'll feel light on your feet while wearing it. This shoe gives you control. It has a raised rubber heel. This feature helps you achieve a controlled and consistent slide. Purchase with confidence knowing that this product is backed by a warranty. The manufacturer provides a 1-year limited warranty. It's a great choice. What we like. The shoe features athletic mesh uppers for a comfortable fit. It provides a consistent slide with its microfiber soles and a controlled slide with its raised rubber heel. If you're looking for a shoe that offers both comfort and control, you should consider this one. What people say. The shoes fit well and are comfortable. The slide is perfect and the shoes look great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.